Jamantha, Tobin's Delight, Painted Pony, Wealth of Nations, Astronomical Union, Oak Rock Almighty, Oh to Be Me, and Stride in Hanover. Top of the stretch. Oak Rock Almighty will be back at the start. And there they go, off and facing at the rail. That's Jamantha, Painted Pony, and from the outside, Astronomical Union third. Into the turn, fourth at the rail. That's Tobin's Delight. Then fifth is Wealth of Nations. Oak Rock Almighty sixth. Seventh is Stride in Hanover. And Oh to Be Me is eighth. They're sailing along here in the early going. Painted Pony on the choo-choo here for Mark Campbell. Astronomical Union is second. Jamantha third. Way back in fourth, that is Tobin's Delight. Then racing from fifth, Wealth of Nations. Boom! Just like that. 27-4 open it up. They round the turn for the first time. And a fired up Painted Pony and Campbell leading it. A lot of confusion in the backfield here. Moving into second is Astronomical Union. Then in third, Jamantha. Oak Rock Almighty comes out of the pack fourth. Then in fifth, that is Tobin's Delight. Stride in Hanover sixth with Wealth of Nations and Oh to Be Me. And there goes the inquiry sign here in the eighth race. Judges' inquiry underway. At the 5/8 pole, it's Painted Pony, the leader on Astronomical Union. Dropping back in third is Jamantha. Oak Rock Almighty has made up a lot of ground fourth. Then in fifth, Stride in Hanover. Wealth of Nations in sixth. Seventh up the inside is Oh to Be Me. On the outside is Tobin's Delight. 3/4 in 1:27 and 2. That was after a 57 1/2. Eighth of a mile to go. Painted Pony has Astronomical Union right alongside him now. Jamantha third, Stride in Hanover fourth. They're in deep stretch now. Painted Pony hangs on for Mark Campbell. Astronomical Union second. Tight on the line for third. It might have been Stride in Hanover. 1:57 and 2.